Hey, it's Wendy from Wenway Creations. Today I'm going to make a large library pocket. Now where did I get this idea from? Let's have a look, see if I can find a bit of paper. Artymaze. There you go. So I made my own template 7 inches long, 6 inches wide at the top and 5 inches wide at the bottom. But I think I needed, and I'm going to do it now. This is my template, and I've made this too long. So I should cut a bit off the end. Anyway, next thing I have to work out, because I did this one upside down. It's all right on the back, but I wanted that up the right way on the front. So if I cut it like that, that'll be up the right way. Got it. So I'm just going to cut this out. This template in the screen. Busy weekend, pruning roses, cuts and scratches and bruises all over me. At least they're done. Two I have to plant, 2 new ones I got from Mother's Day. Still haven't planted them. Got to get onto that. I'll link Auntie Maze's video where she made these. At the bottom, scoreboard helps. I've done it. That's a better one. It's, for some reason, it's not as, I think because I scored it. Yeah, I've scored it up closer there, or down. I've scored it down. Well, there you go. Figured it out. Bit of glue there. Bit of glue here. And you can make them any size. You can downsize them to make them smaller. Excuse me. So that's pretty good. And ink it. Give it a bit of an ink. Get rid of the wide edges. So I'll make another one. Right, now. Figure it out again. Just something to put in your journal, fill it up with goodies, or you put it in a pocket yourself. Like I said, you can make it smaller, just make a smaller template, like make it 5 by 3 or something. Bit of glue. Quite fold that one over. There we go. So they're my big versions of. Let me see if I can do it. Let me see if I can do it with this one. Get this one right. Where is it? Oops, missed that line. I'm just using a digital printed on cardstock here. Aha, got it. So there you go. You can make it 7 by, what was the template? It was 7 inches long, 6 inches wide at the top and 5 inches wide at the bottom. And that's where you fold it up. But you can make it any size, adapt it. That's the beauty of it. So once again, thank you, Artymaze, for inspiring me to do that. If that very well. Out a finger. There we go. My upside down one, my up the right way, and those ones. Well, thank you very much for watching, and please consider liking, subscribing, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks. Bye.